তোমরা মোটরসাইকেল কোন থেকে সরাও মোটরসাইকেল কোন এই করিডরটা একদম এই মেয়েগুলো
Thank you.
After the auspicious Vedic chanting, our students our NSS volunteers shall welcome the distinguished guests.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, college Jhalpuri welcome esteemed members of the Professor Y.A. Sudhakar Reddy sir, member coordinator, Professor Munal Kale, member NACDR team. I welcome all. Now our website is www.jhalpuri.college.org.
We need to read all that.
Okay. Now, the establishment of this college has a history. During the first decade of 21st century, the region was deeply affected by the Maoist insurgency. A violent movement that broke out is in several parts of India as well as here also. Now, this insurgency was characterized by acts of violence and terrorism. Now, the reason behind this insurgency was the underdevelopment. As the insurgency is over, immediate after over, we have the issue was trying to solve by the government by the establishment this college in this region. It is not just an institution of higher learning. It is a symbol of hope for the progress of the people of this area. Our catchment area includes villages such as Koima, Angoli, Pirakoli in the east and Bhimpur, Khaidana in the west. Now most of the college, due to their financial and other crises, they are also shy, reserved. Our faculty members have their these challenges. We take immense pride in the progress we have made so far. With the information of internal assessment and any semester examination. Now, curriculum evaluation.
academic calendar has been displayed on the website?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is there. It is there, sir. Class routine also there for the in the website. Now in curriculum evaluation part, what we have courses offered, art stream, there are two part, languages, humanities and social science. Also,
Yeah, you have to incorporate whatever we are doing it, so make sure that for the next
Yes, sir.
Next rate is thank you.
Thank you, sir. Welcome to the esteemed member of the NAAC team. First, I would like to introduce the
Let them introduce themselves, please. One by one, please.
Myself, Dr. Pratap Bepari, Assistant Professor and HOD Department of Bengali, also the Joint Coordinator of
Very
IIS.
good, very good.
member of IQC, Department of Physics.
Department of Physics, Assistant Professor.
He has the project, sir.
What is the qualification? You have PhD. You also have PhD. Please.
He has the project, sir.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Please.
Myself, Mohammad Moinuddin, Assistant Professor in Sociology, also a member of ITS.
And you are.
And I am M and M. I'm pursuing my PhD.
PhD, okay, good.
this is the composition of the IPC
Ah,
chairperson,
right.
Dr. Shantanu Dhar, coordinator myself, Dr. Shiv Sanghardas, assistant professor in chemistry, joint coordinator, Professor Dr. Nimai Chand Masanto, principal GGDC Mohanpur, academician Mr. Vishweswar Chakraborty, YC GGDC Lalgor. Nominee from the local societies are also take the school headmaster Mumbai Deshapran Vidyapit. Allow me representing some of the
From industry or something like that?
Yes, sir.
Industrial.
Sir, we have actually problem. We communicate to the industry. There is no nearby such industry.
Okay, fine.
Regular meetings. These are the date of the meetings. Almost 20 meetings that will convert.
I have seen in the website, you were reported in the next meeting. You understand what I'm saying? Whether you have taken up that suggestion or not, or are there records of the mental mental system in each department, sir?
Yes, sir. There are some
Then
departments
we
of
will
the
see,
matter.
we will see. Okay.
Center of Studies of the Tribal Development. This is the photographs. IPC has another meeting 3rd May 2023. They computer with the internet connections in the ground floor of the college. IPC has the land connection should be done throughout the college, and it has already been established, and 2 Wi-Fi connectivity has been done.
See, 23 you have recommended, the date. When actually it is accomplished, what is the date of accomplishment?
Just after
And you have to write the date,
Okay.
so that the duration that takes for each decision to get accomplished, because it's not just within the hands of the college, maybe you need to get something from
in some way.
government or officers or something like that, so that.
Granthara software of the 4.0 version. The waste management systems have been properly installed in the college for the health and hygiene. Various awareness banners have been displayed by the recommendation of the IQC. IQC has also recommended that the ramp for the Divyang students, it is already set up, and we have purchased wheelchair. The images of the facilities throughout the campus.
They are the dustbins, huh?
Yes, sir.
Where do you dispose those dust?
We have the drum,
In the nearby villages.
village and dumping station. We have the dumping station.
Okay, the fellows will come here and take out, or you have to transport, what is the mechanism?
They take,
Okay,
we
they
don't
come.
take, they have take this.
They collect. They collect. How many, every day they collect or once in a week? What is the duration of collection?
1 week.
One week or night, more than 1 week.
More than 1 week. They stay, the dust stays within, more than a week in the campus. Okay.
And also our drainage system is very clear, it is connected to the nearby pond, to the ground.
Achha,
Rainwater goes
Nearby you have a pond?
outside, just outside the college gate,
Very good,
there is
very
a
good.
pond.
And the other departments-
Programs are arranged and then prizes and etc.
Yeah.
Certificates are distributed
Something like that.
Ah,
So that, you know,
to encourage them.
encourage and little bit of spirit of competition within the department.
This is the holistic development of the student by addressing sustainable development goal. The development goal broadly categorized three sustainability by the Government of India, social sustainability, economic sustainability and environmental.
Yeah, these are all theories.
Soria robusta, that is the predominating of these zones, and from sal product, different types of oils and likes of different types of resins extraction are going on.
Very good.
Actually, these colleges are newly established, so our college trying to give some support. Actually, we have a good chemistry department as well as some laboratory process, extraction process
Very
is
good.
going on.
Very
That's why we are trying to collaborative work, and we also sign more with these colleges and trying to develop these colleges.
We have to move with Jharkhand Raj College.
You have gone through your NAC?
Yes,
cycle,
sir.
Yeah,
First cycle?
yeah, completed.
What was the grade?
Actually, we got B plus.
B plus. Good.
And there is an institute in Lucknow, Central Institute of Medicine and Aromatic Plants. You can take their help. They have technology for that.
I have already visited the Central Drug Research Institute also during my research life.
Okay. Good.
The-
Your
the-
background, sir, will go for the HODs. Yeah.
Okay, I assume the college also will work together to complement other activities.
Yes, thank you, sir. Nice presentation. Now we will call, sir, make every HOD readily available with the faculty. One by one. Next.
This is our student progression to higher education. Number of students 2020. Final year 31 students passed. MA grade already 11 completed. MA or BA. 2021.
Where they go for example, for post-graduation, where they go?
Vidyasagar University for MA or basically Bengal from Bengal they are MA or BA.
Autonomous college.
Also autonomous college.
Facility.
Both facility.
Okay, good. But this can be improved because it's not showing that percentage.
This is two faculty activity. Myself and Dr. Arjun Maji. Our faculty, myself awarded 2019 Department of Bengali Presidency University, and Dr. Arjun Maji was awarded PhD degree in October 2024 by Department of Bengali, University of Bardhaman. How many published in chapters or UGC care list or other peer reviewed?
Okay. Journals, you have never conducted any lectures on father language, only mother language? English, sir. English is our mother language.
मैं यहाँ पढ़ाने के साथ साथ मैं लिखता भी हूँ। अभी तक मेरा करीब 30 किताबें हैं और मैंने अनुवाद भी किया है। युवा पुरस्कार मैंने दिया
जी। जोहार सर, मैं बकमार हूँ, संतान विभाग की ओर से अपना प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहा हूँ।
फुल स्क्रीन कीजिए सर।
फुल स्क्रीन करो सर। सिंगल
कॉलेज जब शुरू हुआ था तभी से डिपार्टमेंट है, बट पहले जनरल कोर्स था, ऑनर्स नहीं था। ऑनर्स हमारा शुरू हुआ 2018 में। ये फैकल्टी है हम, मैं एचओडी अमर कुमार, हमारे मैडम और
ठीक है।
हमारा कॉलेज के हाईलाइट है सर, हमारा रिसर्च आर्टिकल 325 है, बुक चैप्टर है 224, टेक्स्ट बुक है 15/2/18, जर्नल
3 ऐसे क्यों लिखे हैं प्लस क्यों लिखे हैं?
जी हम लोग 3 मतलब एक का इतना।
अच्छा,
मैंने 3 + 2 माने क्या हुआ?
मतलब मेरा 3, इनका 2, इनका 1
का 2
मैंने कहते हैं संताली का
3 + 2 जैसे इनका है कि इनका
मेरा 1 है, इनका 1 2 है, इनका 1 है, मतलब इस तरह से, इसीलिए मैंने अलग अलग किया।
अरे टिपिकल संताली अंडरस्टैंड, ग्रेट।
उसके नीचे आपने 3 बार लिखा था, उसका माने
उसके बाद जर्नल एडिटेड 6 एक ही जगह लिखा है क्योंकि एक ही जर्नल हम लोग का 6 जर्नल एडिट करते हैं।
3 + 1
कौन सा सर?
सेकंड थर्ड वाला।
हाँ 18 to 1 सब लोग जी 5 साल में 15 बुक लिखे हैं हमने।
ओह वेरी गुड।
हाँ
15 बुक लिखा है
जी।
वेरी गुड।
मैंने 2 लिखा है और मैडम ने 1 लिखा है।
वेरी गुड। व्हाई यू हैव रिड्यूस्ड सर? ही इज रेटिंग 50।
हां आपने
पहला इनिशिएटिव है, हमने डिपार्टमेंट में एक मैगजीन शुरू किया है। सेकंड इनिशिएटिव है कि कॉलेज में होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट बाय एड्रेसिंग एसडीजी गोल्स, इसको हम लोग कॉलेज में डेवलप किया है। थर्ड है प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रमोशन ऑफ इंडिजिनस कल्चर। फोर्थ है हिस्सा लिया था, उनको प्राइज मिला है।
वेयर व्हिच कंपटीशन?
ये इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ वहां से जी, वहां से हुआ था, वहां मिला है। नेक्स्ट मैंने फैकल्टी वाइज जो रिसर्च या पब्लिकेशन है यहाँ मैं सर उसको दिखाया हूँ। बुक जर्नल रिसर्च सर जी को अवार्ड मिला है। 12 में साहित्य अकादमी पुरस्कार मिला है,
वेरी गुड।
लिटरेरी अवार्ड मिला है, सिरोसरे सिक्का मिला, 18 में पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू अवार्ड मिला है 2024।
साहित्य
I am Dr. Kumar Sen, Assistant Professor.
Qualification.
Qualification. I will give my department presentation. On behalf of the department.
You are the head of the department.
No, sir. I am the head.
Okay, fine. Good. Right. You are the head and he is the head. Okay.
Degree College started standing from the academic session of 2016-17. Initially, the department taught BSc General course. Afterwards, chemistry honors course is introduced from the academic session 2018-19.
Right.
The department is currently offering BSc honors major in chemistry, NEP 4 years honors course program.
Next slide, please. Next slide.
So there are 4.
Yeah, we have seen already, we have spoken, right?
So the departmental faculty members participates in faculty induction programs and the course conducted by different HRT centers of the Central and State University.
How many of you are in stage 2?
So I am in the stage 2 and they all attended to NC programs.
Good, that's good, that's good.
So we have trained and well qualified and dedicated faculty members, strong teachers, student bonding, no laboratory staff. The weakness of the department
of CBCS curriculum choice-based credit system, sir, and sir.
Okay.
I am going to next slide, sir. Academic programs offered by the department, sir, it is all based on the CBCS. This is the running year, sir.
Go ahead.
So this is overall departmental faculty profile. The sanctioned course in the department is 4, sir, and we are 3 faculties teaching at.
You teach in Bengali or English?
Sir, here, we have to teach in Bengali, sir.
No English.
Official medium of instruction is Bengali or English?
Official medium of instruction in English, but no one can understand. The students who will not understand.
They write their answer paper in
Bengali.
Okay. Okay, fine.
So we have 3 faculties present here and one published, another published overall, and all of us have faculty induction program attended and refresher courses.
Good. How many of you are there in stage 1 and stage 2?
I am in stage 2. Well, he is in not close, already not done, and he is in stage 1.
Okay, good.
So faculty members were paper setter, examiner, external examiner, coordinator of value-added courses, sir.
Are there any local histories here around?
Local history, sir?
Yeah. Are there any local histories here which you can potentially document? Like Maoist?
I am mentioning, sir. Actually, this tribal uprising, and Maoist uprising, these are the very rich, that's a very crucial history.
So we have to record that oral histories. From
tourism-related employability, sir. Just
concentrate on the historical contribution of this region for the uprising.
Uprising, yes, absolutely.
Because the tribal development policy it has changed, so that is the contribution.
Okay, sir.
Next.
So thank you, sir. Thank you for being so patient and
thank you. Please next.
Sir, may I introduce
the Department of English?
Next.
It was your single male department. Yes, sir. Which one changes? Yes, sir. It
14. Started in 14. Next.
Transfer right now.
When they got transferred? During this period?
Dr. Shumita Degundur was transferred
During
on
this
June 2022. June 24, January 23, I think. Yes.
Oh, and no replacement was
No.
Oh, that's a pretty bad.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are the program details which are quite similar with the other departments.
Others.
Details of my
Same figures, right?
yeah, kind of same figures. Okay, sir. This is the result analysis. You see that the number of students who are in the examination, they are, yes, it's quite low.
Only 2.
Yes, sir.
Next.
This local year written
Vidya, there are 2 different.
विशेषण of Vidya. Yes.
They are single, different words.
Okay.
That safety for the introduction of our department, which is start functioning from 2015 and started its honors course in 2016 with intake capacity of 30 students, and which is now stand at 45 students intake
Very
capacity.
good. So there is progress. Good.
Successes worth mentioning, that is 95% students who have
Good morning.
Next. No, good morning. Good afternoon now. Next. Okay, BA honors and then next. Multi-department.
Our mission.
Next.
Our department covers
Logic.
areas, logics, metaphysics, ethics, applied philosophy.
They are all there in the syllabus?
Yes, sir.
They are all there in the syllabus?
Yes.
Okay, next.
We have the department profile.
Right. Okay, 10, what is that? Number of years of experience you have. Okay, next slide.
The publications of.
You are all in stage 1 or stage 2?
Stage 2, sir.
Both are in stage 2. Good. Right. Next.
Department activities, sir. We have organized international webinar on 3rd October 2021. Several dignitaries, Professor S.M.
Okay, next.
Our department organized special lecture on the occasion of World Philosophy.
Okay, good.
Special talk delivered by Papni Mukherjee, Assistant Professor of Philosophy at DC College.
Next.
Yeah.
Philo has become philosopher, right? That's what it is. Chaliye sir, next.
Weakness, shortage of faculties.
Early marriage is your weakness. Early marriage is your weakness. Next slide, please.
Opportunity.
Next slide.
Challenges.
Yes, you have a lot of challenges to face. First challenge is to improve your own admission rate and dropout rate will get reduced. That is the challenge. Next slide. Thank you.
Try to improve the enrollments.
Enrollment you have to improve, sir. What Marx said, philosophers are interpreted.
Assistant Professor at the Department of Political Science. My qualification is MA and PhD, and I have 9 years of teaching experience.
You are one man army?
Yes.
Only one person.
How many students are there in your class?
How many students?
How many? Last year we have admitted 24 students.
Okay.
Numbers course.
Out of 60.
Out of 44. Our intake capacity total is 44. 4 years bonus program.
How many are now continuing? Dropout rate is there?
Now they are attending 22 class attended there. Only 2.
Only 2 dropout. Very good.
They shifted to job oriented course.
Very good.
And pass percentage is 100%.
Very good. Pass percentage is very good from this college, but dropout rate and admission is.
They shifted towards the job oriented.
Next, sir. Please. Thank you. Good. Nice. Yeah, please introduce yourself. One by one, please.
We not have presentation, just
No presentations. Simply introduce yourself. We have got also.
P.R.E. Chandra. I am the head and assistant professor of the department. I joined the department in the inception year 2014.
Good.
And sir, I am MA MPhil. And I am applied for PhD, but I have not completed it yet.
Okay.
And
registered or applied?
I have applied. Sir, I had registered earlier, but there were some issues for which I had to re-register.
Oh.
And so I have again applied. I'm trying my best.
Yeah, you have to take care of your career, madam.
Yes.
Please. Yeah, please.
I'm Meghna Bose. I joined this college in 2016. Before that, I was in Chandannagar Government College.
Oh, different.
Yeah. So I served there for around 7 months. And I joined here and I've completed my PhD in 2023.
I am pursuing my PhD from Vidyasagar University.
Which university? Vidyasagar University. So what is the distinctive feature of your department, mathematics?
Actually, sir, we organize some one magazine. We introduce job-oriented people, railway service, PSC, this type of.
You are also in the department of mathematics?
Yes.
Yeah, please introduce yourself.
Myself, Dr. Sunimal Kundu. I completed my MSc from Bardhaman University, stood first class first, and then I complete my PhD degree from IIST Shibpur.
Shibpur? Okay.
I joined this institution in 2018.
What kind of lab you have in mathematics? It is mentioned that you have a lab. What do you do in that? What do you teach?
MATLAB software.
Huh?
MATLAB software.
Math. Actually, students are aware about.
My MSc PhD from the University of Bardhaman, West Bengal.
University of Bardhaman?
Bardhaman, University of Bardhaman.
Okay.
With 3 faculty.
Yes, I am also principal.
Yes. So only 2. You teach?
Yes.
Let us finish within 5 minutes or so.
Yes. Next slide, sir.
Already introduced. This is the student profile.
Oh
student
God,
performance.
very less now. Very less.
Yeah.
Very less.
Very less. These are some students who took admission for their master degree in different universities, and this is one of our general category student who got job. This one.
As police.
Yeah.
All of you should try to enhance the enrollment.
Very important, sir.
And then secondly, once your enrollment is good, then you should go for PG level. Yes. That is how the education should progress.
And this is main problem. And very weak economic section. Yeah.
Next.
Okay. That's this.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay.
So all the presentations are over?
Yes.
No, we want to see the cards. Meeting register means what? Faculty meeting, huh? Huh?
Departmental faculty meeting, sir.
What is that?
स्क्रिप्ट है सर ओलची की स्क्रिप्ट में ये पढ़ाते हैं।
अच्छा, what is that you have written?
जी
What is that you have written?
तेहे 4/9/2019 हिलो संताड़ी विभाग रेनाल।
Assessment.
Yes.
What is the minutes? Minutes have to be written.
Resolution.
Okay, chलिए sir. And where is the attendance?
Yes sir।
ये क्या है सर आपका?
इसमें एक ऐड कर दो किचन चिमनी में रहता है ना। हाँ, चलता है कि नहीं? अब क्या कर रहे हैं?
Not gas
Which is it?
What is
That is also P. Oh, conductivity. Conductivity. Is the double?
No, don't worry.
Switch off.
I can't understand.
That was my question to you during your presentation. For this thing, you use the software. This thing.
Sir, you studied our student.
Yes, sir.
These are all the bills, huh?
Bills. All bills are there.
Oh, progress. That documentation is to be required, right? According to
His result has improved. You should be able to say that his result has improved.
Otherwise, what is the fun in conducting remedial classes?
Okay. Progress should be followed.
Lesson plan. This is design, not lesson plan.
Please, sir.
Number of lectures, 20.
One
student are minting.
में से तीनों डिपार्टमेंट में से किसी ने उन्नत भारत अभियान में कंट्रीब्यूट किया है?
उन्नत भारत
में काम किया।
Yes, sir. Award list.
Sriya Betar.
Betar.
Sir, general honors.
Temperature, maximum temperature?
1300 Kelvin. For making pellets, so we use this. And this is the pH meter.
pH meter. Sir, though it is a small department, but he contributes many to your publication.
Yeah, please. Oh, these are all your research papers.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
I remember also practical, man, practical.
Right. Okay. Check. Very good.
Actually, sir, in Bengal, in the higher classes.
Now, what is it? Yeah, what is the name? You just.
Dharani
Mahata?
Yes.
How much she got? 3, 1.
Yes, sir. This is,
2 and.
at least we are trying to take on. This is in 2023. Sir, this is on Sampradayik of the communalism.
Oh, communalism. Lab. Oh, that is this.
Research lab and also material synthesis lab.
Oh.
Incorporated in our.
So that you are not included.
Set up the computer laboratory. So we set it up.
for forming plan.
Good lab.
That's what there is a garden facing that.
We have to say.
Oh,
yeah. But not needed.
And during the experiment also, the students gathered.
They will do other experiments.
Yes. Actually, inside the library.
Oh, both are.
Ground floor and first floor both are library.
Both are library.
Oh, okay. Actually, this is the entrance.
Oh, okay. This is great.
There is student.
You utilizing the library. So they sign one. What is the name?
Hindi
Okay. So what is the problem?
They have to follow me.
Penalty imposed for not
So how can I give penalty for them?
These are all the systems meant for what?
Meant for, sir, mainly it is centrally organized for arts department. Then it is
And how many books are lost? And what is the mechanism of issuance and then any penalty, anything of that
Sir,
kind?
we have provision of the penalty, but we did not.
तो वो 2000 रुपए हैं, आप ऑडिट रिपोर्ट में कैसे उसको
सर हम लोग एक इंटरनल कमेटी करेंगे, उसके बाद उसके लिए डिस्कस करेंगे।
है आपके पास रिकॉर्ड है?
कैटलॉग सर, we have online catalog of pets and also list of books made out for this.
राइट ऑफ करने का कोई प्रोसीजर होगा ना?
ADC class number.
Must be procedure to write off these things.
Sir,
22 में है অডিট রিপোর্টটা নিয়ে এলেই তো হয়। এখানে ওয়েবসাইটে তো আছে অডিট রিপোর্ট দেখো।
Sir, you are giving a mail to that you will lodge a complaint with police FIR, right? That is what very interesting.
books, awarding books.
Very slow, right?
There is
What is your daily issue statistics?
Books are damn new, nobody is using.
22 per.
Understood.
इसका further classification भी करिए ना, जैसा ये mathematical physics का
And this has been introduced.
question था sir, बच्चे जो somebody takes admission in BA Sociology, how much fee he pays?
He pays 1 month.
ये उनके सवारी है।
अच्छा, वो under the tree you keep?
Yeah, under the tree.
ये क्या है? वो क्या? हाँ, this is for bali.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Which one you, rams, goats or buffalo? Which one you give as bali?
Keep it.
Best during border activities.
वैसा इसका डेट कीट सब
State level है One unit of 100 students. That is what he said.
Ah, okay. One unit consists of 100 students to enroll. Then what
Then we make another unit.
You have to make another. Only 20 plus will count. Then what you?
We include him in one unit only. First.
Oh, okay.
So there is flexibility. Yeah, that's something. This is the issue.
Okay, that is. What is that name? Padmasana. Very good. এখন আমার ছেলে হারিয়ার করছে।
His son is now
হারিয়ার করছে, তার প্রোগ্রেসও খুব ভালো, পড়াশোনার মানও ভালো, ও ক্লাসও রেগুলারলি করে এবং পড়ান, কোনো টিউশন দরকার হয় না, সেটাই মানে টিউশনের মতো করে পড়ান। আমি এখনো পর্যন্ত আমার দুটো ছেলে মেয়ে হয়েছে, এখনো টিউশন দিইনি, কিন্তু রেজাল্ট খুব ভালো হচ্ছে কলেজ থেকে। আমি চাই এই কলেজটা যেখানে তৈরি হয়েছে, এই কলেজটা হচ্ছে রুরাল এরিয়া এবং এখানে ছেলেমেয়েরা আগে পড়াশোনা করতো না, বিভিন্ন দেশে কাজে চলে যেত। এখন সেই ছেলেগুলো পড়াশোনা করে এখন অনেক হাই র্যাঙ্কে যাওয়ার প্রস্তুতি নিচ্ছে এবং আমরা চাইছি স্যার এই কলেজটা যদি আরও ডেভেলপ হতো, ধরুন স্যারদেরকে থাকার জন্য কোয়ার্টার এবং ছেলেদের হোস্টেল, ছেলে মেয়েদের ST/ST ওবিসিদের যদি হোস্টেল আলাদাভাবে হোস্টেল করে দেন, আমরা স্যার এখানে তাহলে এই এরিয়াটা আরও ডেভেলপমেন্ট হতো এবং ছেলেদের পড়াশোনার মান আরও উন্নত হতো।
Sir, he's saying that in this age
ভর্তি ফি খুব কম, আমরা চাইছি যে এই কলেজটা যেন আরও দীর্ঘজীবী হয় এবং পড়াশোনা এবং মানটা আরও
আমাদের ছাত্ররা যেভাবে পড়াশোনা করে তাতে খুবই আমাকে ভালো লাগে যে এখানে টিউশনের কোনো প্রয়োজন হয়নি, এটাও ওটাই স্যার ওরা বলেন। এবং আমার আগের যিনি বললেন যে হোস্টেল এবং আরও পরিকাঠামো যদি কোনো দিক থেকে আরও উন্নতি করা যায়, সেটা আমাদের থেকে আপনারা আরও
এই কলেজে কেমিস্ট্রি ডিপার্টমেন্টে পড়াশোনা করেছে। আগে
Her son and her daughter both have studied in this college. Son Tapobroto and daughter Shashwati. Shashwati is studying now. Tapobroto has passed out.
What are you going to do?
এখন এমএসসি কমপ্লিট করে গেট পরীক্ষা দেবে প্রিপারেশন।
Tapobroto has completed his MSc and he is preparing for GATE.
Very good, very good.
আগে আমি গোয়ালতোড় কলেজে ভর্তি করেছিলাম। এখানে তো
People they together has actually have established that school, nursery school in which she studied and teaches.
আমার ছেলের আগে রেজাল্ট খুব ভালো। মেদিনীপুরে 35 টেস্টের মধ্যে সায়েন্স সেমিনারে থার্ড হয়েছিল এবার। আর স্পোকেন ইংলিশে 5 টেস্টের মধ্যে চ্যাম্পিয়ন হয়েছিল। এমনি কুইজ কম্পিটিশনে রামকৃষ্ণ মিশনতে ফার্স্ট হয়ে এসেছে। তারপরে প্রবন্ধে বিতর্কে কবিতা আবৃত্তি সবেতে ও ফার্স্ট সেকেন্ড থার্ডের মধ্যে।
Her son is a excellent student in his all career. I mean, in his all his academic career, he has got prizes in the competitions like debates, quizzes, and scholarships, etc.
हिंदी
में
जो बच्चा है बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाई कर रहा है और आज अच्छा भी हो जाएगा तो बहुत अच्छा है। लेकिन जो उसका रहा पर प्रिंसिपल है बहुत अच्छा किया है। पूरी बात है कि परिवेश बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए। इसके लिए आपको ध्यान देना चाहिए बहुत अच्छा होगा। घर में कल चर्चा हुआ है हमारा पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है।
I think
how we need your suggestions, comments to how this institution can develop further from the point of view of education and higher education.
okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मैं आप लोगों से सजेशन हम लोग चाहते हैं कि इस कॉलेज को कैसे और ऊपर लाया जा सके और इसके एजुकेशन का लेवल कैसे बढ़ाया जा सके। उस उद्देश्य से आप एलुमनी के रूप में जो भी सजेशन देना चाहें आप बताएं और ये भी बताएं कि एज एन एलुमनी हाउ यू आर हेल्पिंग द इंस्टीट्यूशन, ये भी हम लोग को चाहिए। तो अब एक एक करके आप लोगों से जो बोलना चाहें बताएं अपने सजेशन में।
প্রথম স্টুডেন্ট ছিল আমি 2017 সালে এখান থেকে পাস আউট হই।
He was one of the very first student, I mean the student of the very first batch. In 2014 when the college started functioning, he was the first batch.
Very good.
And he passed out in 2007.
Which branch?
मैं इंग्लिश ফার্স্ট
English.
কলেজটাতে একটু ভূগোল আর ফিজিক্যাল এডুকেশন এটা একটু চালু করা যেত তাহলে এখানে আদার্স কলেজে জিওগ্রাফি বা ফিজিক্যাল এডুকেশনের খরচটা প্রচুর।
He gives a suggestion, yes, geography and physical education, only because in those colleges where these courses, in a government institution, if we can run these courses, the students can benefit from them.
Good.
এর সাথে যে আমাদের একটু
फिजिकल का कोई टीचर नहीं है, ये एक समस्या है। वो रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं केमिस्ट्री फिजिकल और इनऑर्गेनिक का टीचर থাকলে মানে খুবই বেটার ডিপার্টমেন্ট আরো এগিয়ে দিতে পারে আর কি। एज ए एलुमनी हिसाब से नेक्स्ट ईयर नेक्स्ट टाइम जो रूरल एरिया है, ये रूरल एरिया में अनसाइंटिफिक कल्चर ऑलवेज चलते ही अच्छा अनसाइंटिफिक कल्चर इस हम सोच रहा था तो अनसाइंटिफिक के बाद में साइंटिफिक जो चर्चा करेंगे ये जो मानुष जो समझा करेंगे तो खूब बहुत ही बढ़िया होगा। ये एलुमनी हिसाब
मैं 2018-21 का बैच फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट में और उसके बाद 21-23 से मास्टर्स भी किया हूँ विद्यासागर यूनिवर्सिटी में। मैंने जब कॉलेज में पढ़ता था तो तब हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में 2 ही टीचर थे, एक सर वो भी 2 ही प्रिंसिपल सर भी है जिसका ही है
of Alumni Association. So sir, few years ago I am complete my graduation, complete my master's degree because I am belong very poor family. So sir, is this college हमारा ये जो कॉलेज है ये हमारा सपना पूरा किया है और हम कभी नहीं सोचते थे कि हम मास्टर्स और बीए कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन हमारा जो एरिया है यहाँ से कॉलेज ज़्यादातर दूर ही रहता है। ये कॉलेज स्टैब्लिश 2014 में हुआ था, तो उसके बाद से इस इलाका का जो स्टूडेंट है वो सपना देखता है कि मैं पढ़ा लिखा बनूंगा, इस कॉलेज से मैं पढ़ूंगा।
আমাদের আসতে সেরকম কিছু অসুবিধা নেই, সেজন্য এই কলেজটাকে আমরা চুজ করেছি এবং আমাদের এখানে পড়াশোনাও ভালোই হয়েছে। আর যারা পরে যারা ভর্তি হবে তারা যেন পায় সেজন্য।
So she says that as she lived close by, so they had no difficulty coming to the college when they studied in this college. And she says that if some few more departments were introduced in this.
I have completed my graduation degree in 2022. Then I completed my master's degree in. Talking about my department was very good, especially in pandemic. When the college was shut down, they teaches us in online.
तो उसके रिगार्डिंग मेरा एक प्रॉब्लम हुआ था कि इधर हॉस्टल का फैसिलिटी नहीं था। मुझे 1.5 आवर जर्नी करके इधर आना पड़ता और जाने के टाइम भी 1.5 आवर लगता, तो 3 घंटा मेरा जाने आने में वेस्ट हो जाता था। तो ये एक प्रॉब्लम था मैंने जो देखा। और मैं जब काम में भी जाता हूँ तो कोई अगर पूछता है,
मैं हिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट का स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो मैं एक्चुअली चाहती हूँ कि स्पोर्ट्स से कुछ भला हो। मैं चाहती हूँ स्पोर्ट्स के लिए कुछ हम कर सकते हैं, डिपार्टमेंट बना के स्पोर्ट्स से हम ध्यान न करें, क्योंकि मेरा भी एक सपना था कि मैं बैडमिंटन प्लेयर बनूँ, तो उस टाइम कोई सोच नहीं मिला। इसलिए तो मैं नीचे जो लोकलिटी है इसमें स्पोर्ट्स से बहुत सारे है जो स्पोर्ट्स से पसंद करते हैं, उसने चाहता है कि वो स्पोर्ट्स करे और आगे बढ़े। तो पढ़ते टाइम तो टाइम वेस्ट हो जाता है, तो कोर्स नहीं मिला तो वो भी प्रैक्टिस में नहीं जा रहा है। तो इस कॉलेज में कुछ कोर्स के लिए अच्छा हो तो आ पाएगा भर से जो कोर्स के।
वो अपनी मीटिंग कितनी फ्रिक्वेंटली करते हैं आप?
अभी भी रजिस्टर नहीं हुआ है,
जिसपे कॉलेज की मैंने स्टेटस उसको लिखता है, तो उस रिपोर्ट को बनाने के लिए हमको आपके इनपुट चाहिए, आपका फीडबैक चाहिए। एज ए स्टूडेंट आपको कॉलेज में क्या क्या सुविधा मिलती है, कहाँ कहाँ आपको दिक्कत होती है, जैसे लाइब्रेरी में किताब मिल जाती है कि नहीं, लेबोरेटरी में इक्विपमेंट्स हैं कि नहीं, टीचर से आपके कैसे संबंध है, कॉलेज में इन जनरल टीचिंग कैसी होती है, बाकी और फैसिलिटी जैसे कि ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फैसिलिटी है कि नहीं है, फिर सेफ्टी है कि नहीं है गर्ल्स कैंटीन में स्पेशली।
No teacher will be, I mean, your teacher will not be here. I am here. That's why I am reminding you of the fact.
But you don't perform your teacher's role. You are part of us now.
Yeah, feel free to interact.
Okay. তোমরা সবাই নিশ্চয়ই বুঝতে পেরেছো ওনারা কি বললেন।
हमारा एक कॉलेज था, कॉलेज के नेचुरल कॉलेज है।
आपका नाम और क्या पढ़ रहे हो?
हमारा नाम है विकास चेहरा, हम डिपार्टमेंट है फिलोसफी स्टूडेंट। ओके,
फिलोसफी विकास चोइरा।
ओके, राइट।
অনার্স করে প্রাণী স্টুডেন্ট। স্যার আমাদের কলেজটা হচ্ছে এটা প্রাকৃতিক পরিবেশের মধ্যে কলেজটা তৈরি হয়েছে। এখানে ন্যাচারাল যে সুযোগ সুবিধা সব পাই আমরা। স্যাররা খুব হেল্পফুল, স্যাররা আমাদের সমস্ত বিষয়ে সাহায্য করেন। আর আমাদের টয়লেট থেকে শুরু করে আমরা যাবতীয় যে আমাদের মানে স্টুডেন্টদের যেগুলো দরকারি বা প্রয়োজনীয় যেগুলো ব্যবস্থাগুলো সব আমরা অ্যাচিভমেন্ট।
And he loved the experience here, the ambience, the environment here. And then he says that he
सुविधा है
अभी नहीं हाँ सर उचित है, मतलब हॉस्टल होना उचित है।
ओके,
ठीक है सर, नमस्ते।
तत्र अभी तु हम एक संस्कार अस्ति
संस्कृत बोला ठीक है
और छात्र का जो संपर्क है वो बहुत ही सर फ्रेंडली है। हम लोगों का दोस्त का समान होता है सर। जो कुछ भी समस्या होता है वो सब हम लोगों का शिक्षक के साथ फूल चल के बात करते हैं सर, सब कुछ बोलते हैं सर।
और what
খুব ভালো করে সম্পর্ক যোগাযোগ করতে পারে।
আর সেফটি সিকিউরিটি মেয়েদের জন্য যে ব্যাপারগুলো ইম্পর্টেন্ট সেই সমস্ত বিষয়গুলো এখানে আগে
স্যার এখানে সেগুলো খুব ভালো করে সুবিধা করা।
আর I ask 10 to 15 kilometers.
So you also coming by bus?
They all come by bus. Students who live close by, they come by bicycles. Or students who live, 5 or 6 kilometers far from here, or 10 to 15, or 30 even.
आशिक अमानुल हक, मैं इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट के छात्र।
history?
No, sir.
इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट।
English, okay.
আমার বাড়ি এখান থেকে প্রায় 22-30 কিলোমিটার দূরে এরকম হবে। আমার মনে হয় যে আমাদের ডিপার্টমেন্টের ফ্যাকাল্টি আরও দরকার আছে, কারণ স্যার আমাদের স্যার একজনই আছেন আর অন্য কোনো স্যার নেই।
He lives 22.
হিস্ট্রি ডেভেলপমেন্ট।
কোনো বাংলায় বলতে পারো, আমি ইংরেজি বলবো।
সেরকম কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, আমাদের স্যার ফ্রেন্ডলি ভাবে আমাদের সহযোগিতা করে এবং কোনো কিছু দরকার পড়লে বা প্রয়োজন কিছু হলে স্যার হেল্প করে এবং আমাদের কিছু করার জন্য অতি আগ্রহ এবং আমরাকে সহযোগিতা করে থাকি।
আমার নাম সৌরভ মানা এবং আমি সোশিওলজি ডিপার্টমেন্টের ছাত্র।
সৌরভ মানা and he belongs to the department of sociology.
স্যার আমাদের এখানে একটা অসুবিধা আছে, যেটা হচ্ছে যদি অনেক দেড় পর্যন্ত ক্লাস হয়, আমাদের যারা দূরের থেকে আসে স্টুডেন্টগুলো তারা বাড়ি ফিরতে পারে, বাড়ি ফেরার জন্য খুব কম পরিমাণে বাস কিংবা যাতায়াতের জন্য কোনো পরিবহন ব্যবস্থা আছে। যদি কলেজ থেকে কোনো তাদের বাড়ি পৌঁছে দেওয়ার জন্য কোনো বাস রাখানো হয় রেগুলার, তাহলে এটা খুবই ভালো হয়।
So which travel from here to the town or the other villages. He says that if there is any transport arranged by the college itself, the students could stay back in the college for the classes which are held late in the day.
College can talk to the district administration, local bodies.
Yes.
We can make a bus.
We actually arrange these buses on special days, sir, because when exams are held for the second half of the day.
The last bus you can ask for.
Yeah.
Yes, even today, sir, students are staying late today. So
बैके आसो बैके बैके
Actually, government college does not have any provision for that. Part time or like that. Often they demand.
Here, this side.
We want to use it.
This has to be done, so it is not a...
drainage water. So do not allow to contaminate the our. This is a LPG gas one.
Just cut it, no? Very recent.
These plants in an earthen pot. Just like you put lotus for some soil and some water.
Oh, okay. Flower pot. चलिए अरे यार This one is power, yeah. But that is not working, huh?
It's not functioning. Maintenance. Actually, it is our college has a 3-phase line.
Okay.
Once the phase of the to other one. The WBACDCL people solve it, but our generator gone. They have actually arranged today for because they have to come and they have to.
Price, everything is there. Who maintains? So, what are the items here? Full plate chicken. Chicken भी बन रहा है।
सर तो भेज दिया है।
Full plate non-veg meal 75. Chicken 40, mutton 180. Do you have any idea?
कितना पर डे आपका चाय बिकता है?
सर पर डे 60
Equal. अच्छा।
अरे तो बीच के देते ना
ये क्या है सर?
तो ये सी क्रूड के लिए
But yes, the teachers may, if they want to say anything about the college administration or general this thing, except two of you, the others will be there. No, it is more of your student intake and faculty.
And power also.
Go to the nearby.
That actually we have not done it today. Yes, I have both. I have both. And this is the both.
যাবেন
Your operator.
Okay.
And he is also an group C staff. Please stand up. He is cashier.
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 Show your records first, sir.
Records.
So explain a bit about your college assets and.
Sir, here is the sent directly to the bank.
Okay.
And no, sorry, ulta ho gaya. It is the payment. What we have done is this is the receipt. Collections, and the collections is transferred to the bank, and it is they.
And same year they give the scholarship or it is pending.
Sir, perhaps it is almost in the same year, but within the two. Student collecting it. And also that Bangla Uच्च Shiksha teachers profile also are there. Our data are there.
You download blank Excel.
Blank Excel file. They are doing. No. Same thing, sir. Same thing, sir. Actually, I have a deadline within 24th December. I have to upload all the data.
Okay, from here you start.
Yes. For last 5 years.
Okay.
Sent to Treasury. Sent to Treasury, and Treasury will disburse to the directly to the account. Here I can show how the bills and salary bill are entered within the that actually what we have done for AG audit, I request for financial audit of GCDC Salboni to HRMS section. I can go through my digital certificate signature when final submission. This is his service book. Sir, this is his service book. This is his personal file. And anyone. So here, sir. Payment should be made through check, online or check. Through during the admission, they pay to online payment, but during
this is the
here they can pay in cash.
Dhar is your cash name or family name?
Dhar is my yes sir. Internal audit cooperative. Again, I have made
normally this NAC, it is assessing all aspects, including the welfare of the faculty, teachers, non-teaching staff. Have any issues? If you have any issues with principal, we'll ask him to get out of this room. No problem. He can openly talk to us, grievance committee, right? We are not even a fact-finding committee. We are simply a committee to assess and help you, right? Take for recording purposes.
Good evening, sir. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Sir, I myself, P.L.E. Chandra from the Department of Sociology. Sir, as such, it's tough to say any hindrances as such, but definitely for my college, I would like to have a greater student footfall because of financial constraints. But I think that is something we should be looking into. Cases where I felt that I need help.
Yes.
So that means I think we are doing good. Yes, sir. Regarding childcare leave and all, I think Dr. Meghna Bose, she had applied for it. No, childcare, no, for maternity. I myself have not enjoyed that leave. And there is another association as well.
Pay commissions up to me.
Come
here long way. So it's a pleasure to have you here. So as a faculty here, I have also past 10 years in this college, and with such on the face we don't face any problem as the office works hardly and provide us all the our requirements, all the office works done, all the cash process, all the lever.
Understand the student only, right? Yes. That's good.
I give my regards to all of you. Sir, I am non-teaching staff. I am serving here on 1 year. I think this college is best.
আমার নাম প্রসেনজিৎ দিগার, ডাটা এন্ট্রি অপারেটর। আমি বিগত 9 বছর ধরে কলেজে কাজ করছি ডাটা এন্ট্রি অপারেটর হিসাবে। তো আমাদের এই
He is working as a data entry operator in this college.
For 60 years service.
Okay.
Okay. And their bills are done through treasury now. Earlier through agency.
But they remain as data entry operators?
Yes, sir. They are data entry.
No promotion, sir?
No promotion, sir. They are contractual staff mainly of the government.
Okay.
ये सब हमें एक बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत है। दूसरी बात, अगर हम ट्रेनिंग करने जाते हैं तो इसको मैं नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट हैदराबाद से 4-5 बार जाके आया हूँ। तो हम जाते हैं तो अपने पैसे से जाना पड़ता है, वहाँ फ्री मिलता है। तो एकेडमिक को वहाँ कोई आने जाने का वैसा कुछ नहीं मिलता है। तो एकेडमिशियन को अगर बियॉन्ड एकेडमिक कुछ कुछ काम करना है तो ऐसा ट्रेनिंग फैसिलिटी अगर गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करे तो हम बहुत ज्यादा काम कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इस एरिया में काम करने का स्कोप बहुत ज्यादा है।
You know where it is in Hyderabad, it is there. So you have to get that. It's all for cultural these things. They will train you in different cultural activities and train them for some of these things, right? So it's there. Okay. Okay. College.
I am serving in this college since last, but I face the problem that the communication problem is the main problem. So the student does not.
One thing is that I am facing in case of mainly physics and maths department, the intake of student is very poor.
Right.
And another thing is that
in competition in different schools. And whenever you get an opportunity to go there, whenever you address the students, tell them good things about the college.
At least I have
Okay. Right. Thank you very much. Here only.
Yes, sir. Their talents, and we've not outsourced anyone. It is just our students and their efforts, and it's our humble attempt to make you feel at home after a long tiring day maybe. Sir, we would like to inaugurate through the auspicious Vedic chanting. We shall inaugurate the program. Om department who have been training the students for this chanting. We shall now go into our main program. We begin with a song. Both the science faculty student as well as art faculty students, and they've tried their best to. Thank you. Start. Nothing can be more evocative than a patriotic song for a loving Mother India. Next, we have a
নগরীর দ্বীপ নিবেছে পবনে, দুয়ারে রুদ্ধ পৌর ভবনে, নিশীথের তারা শ্রাবণ গগনে, মধু নগরীর দ্বীপ নিবেছে পবনে, দুয়ারে রুদ্ধ পৌর ভবনে, নিশীথের তারা শ্রাবণ গগনে, ঘন মেঘে অবরুদ্ধ। কাহার নূপুর সিঞ্চিত পথ সহসা বাজিল বক্ষে, সন্ন্যাসী বর চমকি জাগিল, স্বপ্ন লাগিল ক্ষমা সুন্দর চক্ষে। নগরীর নটি চলে অভিসারে যৌবন বলে মত্তা, অঙ্গে আচল সুনীল বরণ, রুলঝুল রবে বাজে আভরণ, সন্ন্যাসী গায়ে পড়িতে চরণ, থামিল
সখী কি দেখা দেখিলে তুমি, এক পলকের আঘাতে খসিল কি আপন পুরানো পরিচয়, রবি করপাতে কোরকের আবরণ টুটি, মাধবী কি প্রথম চিনিল আপনারে, মধু
চন্দন পঙ্কে ঝরিছে মুকুল, কুজিছে কোকিল, যামিনী জোছনা মত্তা, সময় এসেছি বাসবদত্তা।
বিরহের বেলা আকাশ কুসুম চয়নে,
If not the language but the tunes of Tagore, I hope as শ্রাবণ বর্ষণ সঙ্গীতে মনোমর মেঘের সঙ্গী উড়ে চলে দিক দিগন্তের বাণী, শিব শুনছি শ্রাবণ বর্ষণ সঙ্গীতে।
Mother,
We have a cultural presentation by the Department of Santali. The theme of the presentation is Jogmaji Baba and the youths of the village. Jogmaji Baba would take the responsibility of only dance and music and moral education of the youth in the villages. Here we can see a visual representation of a dance in Accra. The drum player, Mrida, Professor Anta Kumar Hembrom as Jogmaji Baba, and Professor Anjali Dolai as a traditional dancer. To take the attendance of everyone, and he takes everyone back home.
ठीक है, दिलावा दो, थोड़ा बचा ला।
Participants, performers and the students for this wonderful performance. At the same time, I would like to congratulate the Santali department also, including their faculty and the students, for giving this presentation on one particular dance of their community. And one very important thing is conveyed to me that in this way you can preserve your culture and tradition. So this is very good. I liked it. Now, lastly, you mentioned about Indian knowledge system, something like that, and the Santali department is doing that. Since I am from science, I would like to mention a few things in that way also, because I am fond of reading Srimad Bhagavad. So, those who are from science, they can follow, but I will try to make it very simple. That you see, somewhere in 1989-90, worldwide there was especially from Western people, they started thinking what is the basis of variability among human population. So each of us vary. This is the beauty of the living system, and in fact, this is also the beauty of our human population, that each of us vary. Now Western, especially the US scientists, they started thinking what is the basis of this variation from the point of view of susceptibility and resistance for a particular disease, or maybe for a particular drug. As you know, some people are resistant to drugs, some are resistant to drugs, and some show intermediate inactivity. Similar is the case with the disease also. Some individuals are 2001 or 2, they published the first draft of the human genome, which was the sequence of our DNA. But drug. Okay. But when they compared the sequence of the two individuals, they were the two individual sequences were identical by 99.98%. Means then that puzzled them that what is the basis of this variability. Then in our community, in scientists community, we started looking for another aspect, that it is not the whole genome, but at a stage of about 1.5 to 1 kb distance of the DNA, there is a variation. And if the words are lacking, then the only way is to express our feeling of appreciating. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Let all the performers.
Yeah, if they are.
Yeah, one minute.
It's a different field.
Yeah, different field, and I know today it's going to be because I've already seen the weather. Before coming to this place. Before coming, sir. I studied. Morning.
NSS Club goes to NSS Club goes to
Morning, sir. Morning. Morning. Morning, sir. Morning.
Without
sugar.
Without sugar. Green tea चलेगा? Okay, nice.
Suitable assessment cell has been replaced by ICC.
No, ICC is separate.
Separate. It is not mentioned here.
ICC.
ICC. We have both.
But we have a
First was the team, committee.
Yes, it is the team. It is the notification.
As per the norms you have made the committee.
Yes, sir.
And there must be some legal person.
Yes,
some advocate.
actually, from outside,
There is-
external member.
External member, some advocate is there.
Sir, she's a writer and social activist.
No. You should have one.
Sir, she is a member of a non-teaching.
Oh, okay. You need one.
She is the matron in the most of the matron.
All the three are women only. No male member.
No, we
No, you
don't.
should have male also because now reverse is also possible.
Yeah, sure. It will.
Reverse is also possible. Some women can also complain against that.
Definitely.
Male and he should be defended. If only biased, then it becomes biased. So you nominate one male member in the committee, sir.
Maybe the external member.
Whosoever. Either external
And go to the website.
There is
the
that.
position of the committee.
Maybe.
There is a
Make the
committee.
committee as per the recommendation.
Chairperson. And all these are the members. Meena Das, political science. Madam Manjari Dodali. Subho Manchi.
Which department?
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit.
Dr. Said Ajalu, chemistry, and Sudeep Khan, English.
To certificate any complaint regarding ragging.
Ragging.
No, ragging, sir.
Dragging.
No, sir. It is a small college, so most of the outside base college. So basically, from my experience, ragging occurs in the hostels, mainly in the hostels.
No hostel there for no right. So you want hostels? That means you want ragging. Yes, sir. No, suppose there is a case like this.
Yes.
Both are from the same.
Myself, Dr. Sheikh Adar, the Assistant Professor of Chemistry. I am the Controller of General Sensitization and Sexual Development. And all of these are members of this committee.
Are there any cases of sexual harassment, sir?
Actually, nothing will obtain any cases, such cases. These. Some programs we have done about the gender sensitization. So another the guest speaker, Roshan Khatun, who is the social activities and coming to the FAQ to seminar hall and give some lecture about the gender sensitization. So about any other program, any other two program also done about from our department, from our college some department in the same group. Actually, this program mainly done the student week, when it's a week program. When it started, so the speaker in our colleges, the different department, who is the expert in this field, so invited them and.
Only that, all campaigns like that.
And they are also in that camp.
They are in that also. So there is no point in mentioning that separately. ICC is enough, and for this sensitization. Right? So we have to see.
Pretty much SC/ST,
Okay.
OBC.
Fine. All. Connected with all. Minority, SC/ST and OBC.
Yes.
Equal opportunity service.
Now you should also write EWC. Because all these things are now coming under the reserve categories. Anyway, doesn't matter. There is a Tell about your work, what you have done. Are there any cases of?
No sir, इस विषय में कुछ केस हमारा नहीं आया, बच्चों में नहीं आया, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम लोग बहुत सारे ऐसे स्कॉलरशिप जो एससी के लिए जो स्कॉलरशिप आता है वो ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम बहुत सारे लिया गया है और गवर्नमेंट ने एक दुआरी सरकार इस तरह का प्रोग्राम लाया था। हम लोग छात्र छात्रियों को इस विषय में अवेयरनेस किया जो दुआरी सरकार जाइए जाके आप लोग का सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है तो आप लोग
कोई स्टूडेंट को अगर भेजे वहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम के लिए वो एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल वो सॉल्व कर दें।
ये लोग अच्छा है जी सर क्लास वैलिडिटी के इश्यूज आते हैं
नहीं सर यहाँ उतना नहीं है। यहाँ रिसेंट सिचुएशन में थोड़ा ओबीसी से एसटी होने के लिए जो कुर्मी समाज के लोग हैं उन्होंने डेफिनेशन
एंड प्लेसमेंट एक
करियर काउंसलिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट
या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमसे कांटेक्ट करते हैं या फिर हम उनसे कांटेक्ट करते हैं और वो हमारे यहाँ आके सेमिनार और वर्कशॉप ऐसा करते हैं। ज़्यादातर सेमिनार ही करते हैं और
आप पिछले 5 सालों में
हुआ है उनमें से 5 मॉक टेस्ट हुआ है जो ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव रही है।
सर चार्ज बोल रहे हैं वो अलग-अलग कंपनी से अलग-अलग इंस्टीट्यूशन आए हैं यही बोल रहे हैं।
इसका समय कब होता है जब ये कोर्स पास करने के
नहीं मिडिल में ही होता है। O2 एकेडमी बोल के एक कमेटी आया है वो 5 टेस्ट मॉक टेस्ट
for the thing is particularly the science teachers can provide lot of information to the students. You are fortunate enough that only 5-6 students are there. Actually, so it is very easy to communicate with them.
So I am the convener of the academic and timetable subcommittee, and Dr. Munginas is the joint convener, and all the Sekhonirban, Dr. Sekhonirban, Dr. Soma De, and myself, Pierre Chandra, and Sumit from history are the members of this committee. Actually, this committee take care of Sumit also, Dr. Sumit from mathematics department. Sorry,
sir, you give the records to sir.
These education is quite some time. Academic activities in the colleges each year. So every year it is changed the academic convener and the committee every year again. And time to time when the CBCS
is 1 year.
1 year. 1 year. So our affiliation university with the Sagar University, we act according to the academic calendar they have provided every year. And also all the other activities related to recently introduction of the NEP 2020. After that we have a massive change in the curriculum. So according to the requirement we change the timetable and the other things. Also the various new courses is come up, and so we take care of all these things. All the members are work together with the collaboration with the individual departments.
External Sosunji, Monroe and Rinaldas.
Right, sir.
Sir, earlier from this remote college, we have organized SET exam also. 23rd. Now this year, due to NAC, I cancelled it. It was held just on Sunday. So that's why I cancelled it. This is the one external examination we can arrange here.
We have resources.
Yes.
So what you do in internal examination committees? आप क्या करते हो इसमें?
Internal.
Attendance.
Additional attendances.
Okay. 10, 5, 5. Something like that you have given.
10, 5.
15.
15.
Or 20.
No, 15. 20% of each paper, sir.
20% of each paper.
20% of each paper. So in each paper there is 75 full marks, mostly. So 10 plus 5.
have to make it 5 acres.
But it's beyond 5 acres. More than
Perhaps, sir.
Good.
আছে
কথা বলছি ঠিক আছে
Very good. No, be careful, sir. Be careful. Sorry.
Next one is
there. There. Oh, it's not here.
This is mango.
Mango. Yeah.
Mango, jamun, and jackfruit.
Yes.
Thank you.
So please.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Sir.
Photograph. Sir.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit, sir. Oh, this is jackfruit.
Kathal.
Yesterday you made some jackfruit curry.
Yes, sir. That
Thank you.
we had.
Very good. Sir is a botanist, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
he knows how to do it proper. Yeah.
With my hands clean, I put plants. Results, sir. We have tried it. We have planted 49,000 plants. We are carbon free. There is no carbon footprint in our college. So we have lot of area there. So that is very successful.
Very good.
Even the farmers, they can also use it in the farmland also.
We have used vermicompost for the
Vermicompost is also good, but this works wonders.
Sir cannot sit for longer time. Get up, sir. Don't worry. They will do it. Oh, joy.
Symbolic.
Thank you. ওইটা আমি একটা নেবো একটু দেবো ঢুকছি
রেডি করো
এই যে
Hey.
Of such eminence and credential over the past 2 days. And we are deeply grateful for the insights and observations that you have shared with us. It is hence pointed out when we have deviated from the norm and taught us where and how we can do better in the future is an experience to remember and to learn from. Rather, You have borne with us like the great teachers you are, as we have always done with your numerous pupils. As we gather here for the exit meeting, we look forward to hearing your observations and recommendations. Please be assured that your feedback will be treated with utmost seriousness and will serve as the foundation for our continuous efforts towards excellence. Your presence has been truly inspiring. I would like to request our Honorable Officer in Charge, sir, to
Respected Chairperson, sir. Respected Chairperson, sir, and institution in this formal exit meeting. In the last 2 days, we have learned a lot from you. This visit will be a new beginning for us because with your insights and observations, you pledge to be an improved center of academic and administrative practices. Thank you, sir.
now I would like to request
activity. We have come to the last step of our this peer team reviewing or peer team visit, which we call as the exit meeting. The basic purpose of this meeting is to hand over the report which we have prepared, and that report we call PTR, that is peer team report. We have to hand over to the vice chancellor, to the principal of the college, and this report is supposed to be confidential till the point of declaration of the result by the NAC. So the NAC declares result, not us. Okay. So till that point of time, this is considered as a confidential document. So it is sealed, and you are requested to keep it with you till that point of time. Now, you asked about our observation and recommendation. As per NAC directives, our lips are tight. We cannot speak much here regarding that. But whatever observation and whatever recommendations we have discussed, deliberated upon, we have put down the PTR, which will be known to everyone, including you, and it is on public domain because you have to put it on the website. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, sir.
And also my colleague, Mrunal Alesa, both are wonderful people. Actually, very nice, very thorough gentlemen, and very well read, and in their own field they excel. So I am very fortunate to work with them. And I also thank the principal, the IPSC coordinator, and the entire team. Right? You did a wonderful job. See, as a teacher, we keep on talking, but for the fellows who are listening, they will get bored. I know this, right? See, anyway, just for a relief, I will just tell 2 things and then leave, right? Because it's getting late. One person, Sadarji, he was walking on the streets of London, window shopping.
Honorable Member Coordinator, Honorable Principal, Honorable IQAC Coordinator, all esteemed faculty members of this institution. At the outset, I would thank NAC Bangalore to have given us an opportunity. Otherwise, I don't know whether we would have interacted in our lifetime. And this interaction with the individuals who are living in the soil, living with the soil and living for the soil. It is different, altogether a different experience for all of us. And all of you, I would say, are very good teachers, because from your students' feedback we could get it, that you are giving everything to them. What is expected, you are delivering. So I would I would say that you keep it up, all these things, and try to say, we want our students to become global citizens. So in our country, we say that education.
Just look even for a long time. And Reddy sir, your witty comebacks, they will ring in our mind. Thank you all, sir. I would like to come up on the mic, Dr. Shiv Shankar Das, the coordinator of our IQAC, to deliver the vote of thanks. Thank you.
On behalf of our institution and the Internal Quality Assurance Cell, it is my privilege and honor to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to the distinguished members of the NACPR team for their valuable visit to our institution. First, I'd like to express our deep appreciation to the Honorable Chairman Sir and the distinguished member of the PR team for their thorough and meticulous assessment of our institution's academic and administrative practices. Your observations, constructive feedback and recommendations have been extremely insightful. We are deeply grateful for your positive approach and the constructive discussions you have had with our faculty, staffs, students, parents and alumni throughout this visit. I also take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Officer in the Sir, who has played a pivotal role in ensuring the success of this event. The way you have contributed and managed the various aspects has been exemplary, and we sincerely appreciate your dedication and attention to detail. I also would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the faculty members, staffs, students, parents, alumni and security staffs for their unwavering support, cooperation and active participation during the evaluation process. Your dedication and hard work have been key to the success of this visit, and I appreciate every small effort from your side. Lastly, I would like to express our gratitude to the NAC for giving us this opportunity to undergo this process of evaluation, which will undoubtedly help us improve the quality of the education and administrative practices in our institution. Once again, on behalf of our institution, we express our deep gratitude and respect to the honorable esteemed members of the NACPR team for your valuable time, feedback and support. We ensure you that the college authority will work together to comply all your suggestions in time. Thank you so much.
Now we can speak